Honey wants to play. These two are playing with each other. So she's going to get some attention going here. No, she's not. Go play. This is how she starts getting attention. Uh-oh. Hey, guys. Nala. Nala. Come on, Nala. Opie. You're just a mess. Nobody likes a muddy, wet dog. Okay, this is how she starts. Come on, let's go. Get them over there. Come on, you know what to do. There she goes. She'll get him. She's saying, hey, play with me. Come on. Play with me. I want to play. Hope she goes into that cute sit. Honey, be assertive. She's going to come over here. Come on. You know how to get him. Come on. Go ahead. Oh.